Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update for this weekend of Black Saturday to Monday, April 30 to April 1st, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools in the Bicol region. Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You program. If you want to know more about just click on the link up here, or if you're viewing this video via Facebook, just click on the description where you can find the link towards the website of BPI Sustainable with You. And also, this is brought to you by Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the best hotels in the Bicol region, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's start with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Black Saturday until Monday. This is a 48-hour update since we don't do GovSat during Sundays if we don't have any tropical cyclones. So it's all clear across the Philippine Islands today throughout the weekend. So we will enjoy Easter Sunday. It will be great weather across the Philippine Islands, except for some areas of Eastern Visayas, Eastern Bicol region, and the coastal waters of Eastern Mindanao. We have some light easterly wind flow that could generate some rain showers or thunderstorms. And there's still no developing LPAs or tropical cyclone within the next 5 to 10 days. We just have here a near equatorial trough, which is starting to migrate from the northern portions of Australia and the South Pacific during this time of the start of the spring season or the hot dry season. Most of the cloudiness are now migrating north of the equator. And in the next couple of weeks until the month of May, we will be expecting some low pressure areas and possibility of a tropical cyclone formation. But so far, for the next 5 to 10 days, it's all clear across the Western Pacific, and we are still experiencing the effects of El Nino. And here's the fast animation. Nothing to show you here, except for some southwesterly winds over the Batanes, Pabuyan Islands, and the cloudiness here over to the south of Guam. And for the windy.com UMETSAT satellite loop, valid beginning 12 noon until 5 o'clock this afternoon. It's all clear. Some areas are cloudless. And here's the easterly wind flow that could bring some rain showers across the eastern sections of Visayas and Mindanao. And here's the upper level flow. These are cloudiness being pulled up by the frontal system located south of Japan. And if we take a look at the forecast for wind and pressure from the European model, windy.com, for the next 3 days until April 2, Tuesday, it's all calm to light winds or variable winds across the Philippine Islands. And tomorrow, Sunday, Monday until Tuesday, most of the eastern sections of the country will be experiencing some light winds from the east and southeast, while the rest of the country will remain calm to variable winds, particularly over the mountainous areas of Luzon and Mindanao for the next 3 days until April 2nd. And for the rain forecast, so far it's all clear across the Philippine Islands. No massive thunderstorms, only some light showers expected along the eastern sections of Visayas and Mindanao throughout the next 3 days until April 2. As you can see it here, it's all dry and warm. Okay, and here's the near equatorial trough moving to the south of Yap for the next 3 days very close to the equator, not expected to have a threat to our country. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, it's all hot, warm, and dry with the heat index that could reach more than 40 degrees centigrade. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids and avoid walking under the sun during noontime or early afternoon, since it could affect our health, okay, because of the extreme heat. So far, that's the forecast for the next 3 days. It's generally dry except for some light showers here across the eastern sections of Visayas and Mindanao, and also small chances also in the Bicol region, eastern Luzon, and the Ilocos region. But so far, it's generally higher chances of dry conditions. And for the wave forecast for the next 3 days until Tuesday, April 2nd, the rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, including the West Philippine Sea, will remain calm to about 1 meter in wave height. So that will be today, Saturday, until April 2nd. While here over the East Philippine Sea, those areas facing the Pacific Ocean from Cagayan Valley down to eastern Mindanao, they'll be experiencing some light waves of 1 to 1.7 meters. So it is safe to have some fishing activities and travel by sea. So nothing to worry about. Everything is very nice and quiet. So there you go. That's the latest for this weekend. And we will return early next week to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Happy Easter to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.